When someone ignores your message, send this reply to dominate the conversation. If they leave you unseen or act like they're too busy to respond, you have two choices: stay silent and lose power, or reply in a way that forces their mind to focus only on you. This is not about begging for attention. This is about flipping the script so they feel they are the one chasing. Here are 5 powerful, psychologically loaded replies you can use right now. 1. I'll take your silence as a no, thanks for saving my time. This hits 2 psychological triggers at once: scarcity and authority. You're showing that you value your own time so much that you won't sit around waiting for their reply. It creates an instant feeling of loss for them because you've framed yourself as a high-value person who moves on without hesitation. People respect what they can't control, and this line makes them feel they just lost influence over you. 2. Not replying tells me more than words ever could. This is a subtle yet piercing way to hold up a mirror to their behavior. It shows that you've noticed the silence, but you're not emotionally hurt. Instead, you're reading it as a clear signal. The power here is in making them wonder exactly what conclusion you've drawn, forcing their brain into a loop of curiosity and mild anxiety. Silence suddenly feels like a risk for them, not for you. 3. Don't worry, I've learned not to expect much. This reply is cold, decisive, and cuts right into their ego. It signals that you have already mentally adjusted your expectations of them, and that's a dangerous place for their pride. People are driven by a need to be valued, and this line tells them you've downgraded their importance in your life. It plants a seed of insecurity that makes them want to earn your respect back. 4. I'm guessing you're busy. I'll let you focus on more important things. This one sounds polite, but it's a psychological chess move. You're essentially telling them that they've placed you low on their priority list, but you're also removing yourself gracefully. This creates a sudden realization of what life feels like without your presence. Often this triggers a defensive reply as they try to prove they do value your time. No problem, I'll match your energy from now on. The beauty of this line is in the implied consequence. You're telling them that if they want to keep their distance, you will mirror it, which means no more chasing, no more initiating. This is unsettling because it flips their sense of control. They realize the dynamic has shifted, and if they want your attention again, they'll have to work for it.